In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, you could either go to the top here and click on the name of your current document. And when you do this, as you can see, it's going to give you a pop-up menu where it says Save Now. So you can click on the Save Now button and there we go, it's going to save. But if you don't do this, it's actually automatically going to save your creation whenever you go back to the Home tab with this button top left, or whenever you actually just close down the app itself, okay? That's the first way, but if you actually want to save it onto your computer, you can go to the top right and click on over here where you can see the share button. So click on that, and then you have the option to either quickly export, or you could click on publish and export. So if you do this over here, it's going to allow you to basically export as a PDF, PNG, PSD, or JPEG, okay? So you can save it like this, or you could go and quick export, which is going to export it as a JPEG. So I'm going to do quick. We put the downloads and click on save, and that's going to save and export my creation. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.